God!
Like,
It was over pretty quick, to be honest.
Every morning, he clears his court of the night's fallen debris.
He's tight in his room.
I don't even clean my house.
I wish I was like that.
It's a vital chore if he wants to attract a mate.
He's going to attract a very specific kind of mate.
He's like, no!
get the leaf.
Can you come and teach some of these boys in London a thing or two?
Perfect.
That is really clean. That is a clean forest floor, though.
And a female drops in for a closer look. Females are very fussy.
That sounded personal to David Attenborough, didn't it? Females are very fussy.
He opens with a bow.
You're very respectful.
Next, his blue eye must flash yellow.
What?
Oh my.
What?
He's doing a dance.
He turned into a dancing frisbee.
There's a tutu on.
It looks like a Roomba.
He's like a mad spinning top.
Man, that is so cool.
I'd sleep with him too.
You just go up and kiss her. You're birds.
How is he doing that with his eye?
Look at the girl. She's like, I don't know. Let's see what else you got.
How embarrassing if this bird doesn't go for it. If she's like, ugh, that guy's got no moves. Look at that. That's a good move.
Wait for it. A flash of his iridescent throat patch.
Iridescent throat patch. She looks interested. How can you not be?
Her excitement grows.
She's not the only one.
His performance has been a triumph.
Oh my.
Woo! God! We don't need to see that.
That's private.
It was over pretty quick, to
That
be
was-
honest.
yeah.
The sex at the end was a bit anticlimactic, but the seduction was powerful.